all I need. You're all I see when I close my eyes and dream. You're all I see. You're all I need, all I need, all I need.
So this is where we ended up last night. Just behind an old co-op shop. Not that great really. Or is it? Not bad for behind a co-op. Watching the cruise ships leave Ford, making their way out towards Ålesund in the ocean, where we are heading today. Park-ups come and park-ups go. Some of them are just literally car parks, aren't they? And like I say, when you read that this is behind a co-op, you think, oh. And we turned around the corner last night, we looked at it and I was like, yes. Yes. This is good. This is free. So that's, we saw one go in. That one's actually going into Ford, I'm mistaken. Last night we saw one leave, go that way, out to Ålesund. So that one's coming in this morning. Yeah, lovely place. Had a bit of rain this morning, about 6 o'clock, woke me up. So I got up. It's clearing a bit. Might have a good day, who knows? Sun's yet to rise over the mountains. Took the dogs out for a walk last night. Looks like a nice little town. Beautiful houses. Nice row of houses over there. And these last night were all lit up on the hillside. Really lovely, really peaceful. Yeah, top location. I think there's room for about 4 or 5 here. There was one here last night at the end there, but he's gone. He just went about 10 minutes ago. Nice fella, Germany. So we're gonna make a brew, get ourselves together and get ourselves away. Beautiful calm morning. Right, brew time. We've come to a Payne, proper Bobil Parker in place, which is mobile home park here in the beautiful place of Ålesund. £24 hours is about £24, including electric, which is quite good. It says electrics are limited to 1,000 watts, so that's plenty to do what you need to do. So, beautiful day. The sun's certainly got his hat on right now. We're going to take full advantage of that and go for a walk. Need to do a bit of shopping, a couple of bits to get. You never know what the weather's going to do, because over there it looks a little bit ominous. But the clouds are slow moving, they're hardly moving at all right now, so perfect. The water's super clear. What's here just now, you can see fishies. Very nice too. There are toilets and showers, and upon payment you get a code. If you pay at the machine, you get the code on the parking ticket. If you pay by app, which we did, you get the code on the app. Easy Park we're using again. So you've got all your rubbish facilities, you've got all your servicing. So £24, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Although saying that, when we used the Easy Park app, we found out that we had to pay an extra £3 something because the app charges you a service fee or something. So that makes it more like £27.50 or something. But even so, with electric, services, waterfront, lovely view. We've had a lot of free ones, haven't we? So
we've only paid out for just under £13 so far in 10 nights in Norway.
There you go.
So
Splash out. Go crazy. Right, walk into the town, have a look around. There was a couple of big cruise ships in when we drove through. So you do get a lot of ships stop here, so the town shops are swamped with the cruise tourists, which is fine. One of them was from UK, wasn't it? P&O?
Yep.
Iona.
Yep.
Bloody great things. Anyway, we'll catch up when we're around the town. So the cobbled streets of the old town, Ålesund. There's a lot of people walking about. It's quite busy. A lot of it's due to the two massive cruise ships that are here. It feels like you're in England. It's all English people, well, the majority, and voices that we've heard. The streets are lovely. Paddleboard lessons going off. Fish and chips, probably the best in the world. Okay, fair enough. Fish and chips, it's 1995. Wow, veterans. This is a sad looking person. Looks like Jacob Marley. The old telephone box. Now that's pretty cool, I like that. Yeah, I like that. Looking very sorry for himself. Just come out to see one of the cruise ships. Look at the size of these things. Absolutely huge. And there's one on its way out. People are all getting back on board. That is a big ship. That's probably 3 times the size of the Titanic. So, Lisa wants to go on a cruise, don't you?
I do, yeah.
I think it'd be an abomination.
That'd be fun.
Too big. I'll go on a small river cruise down the Danube or the Rhine or one of those, or a Baltic one, or you know. But these things behind us, for me, that's massive. And too many people. Yeah, Butlins on water. I'd rather not, thank you. Small and friendly rather than huge, massive and impersonal. But I guess we're going to go on one because Lisa wants to go on one.
At some point, there's no rush. But at some time in my life, I would like to go on one. I can still walk around as well.
I just think, right, I can imagine, yeah, the entertainment must be good, or you get ready every night dressed up, all jazzy, and it's all, but they're huge.
Yeah.
How many thousands of people are on them?
There's plenty of room for them.
Yeah, but I don't know. What happens if your neighbours are horrible and you're there for 3 weeks?
But don't sit with your neighbours.
No, but you're on your balcony and oh, they're out, let's go back in.
Put a towel up.
But there's all Q&As to be done. But anyway, look at it.
Very large, isn't it?
Yeah, just yeah. We'll see.
Nice place to cruise though.
Beautiful place to cruise. We're not at the top, not by any stretch. Just thought we'd come and have a look over this edge. Wilhelm II, 1904. That might only be steps to go up. If that's the case, it will be just me. Down at the bottom of the viewpoint monument, found this. Gangarolf, ancestor of William the Conqueror. The monument was presented by the town of Rouen on occasion of the Millennial Festival, commemorating the conquest of Normandy. Leader of the Vikings at the conquest was Gangarolf, who is supposed to have been born in the historical island of Giske by Ålesund. There you go. And there he is. Let me see him. Gangarolf. Still got their paddleboard lesson going on. Surely it's a different one now. Just had a nightmare. Crashed the drone. Yep, pilot error. It ended up not too far away. Basically, up in that hedge. I went up the top of the road. There, looked at climbing down. No, I'm not doing that, it's too steep, I'm not crazy. Ended up walking into town, buying a washing line, attaching 2 of my metal hose pipe connectors to it, like a weight, slinging it up, about 15-20 minutes. Well, a guy comes out of his motorhome, looks along, he asks what's happened. He said, we should go from the top downwards. I said, I can't do that, I'm going to collapse and fall, and I'm clumsy, and there's no way. I mean, a few years ago I'd have done it easy. So he went up there, climbed down, he said, I can see it. So I got my, it's basically my metal washer for washing the van with, like the hose pipe connector that to scrub the van. Went up, handed him that, he knocked the drone off. Lisa caught it almost, broke its fall, it landed. Bit of a crack in it. Got it back. Just did a test flight, hovered it, moved it around, all the manoeuvres. All looks good, no damage. A bit of a crack in the lens on the gimbal, but it's not affecting the picture at all. So, wow, what a hero. Anyway, just in time really, because and Lisa shed a tear over Dronald, didn't you, Lee? Oh, look. So just in time, because I think we're going to get a bit of an epic sunset tonight. Look at that.